Today I'm doing a tour of a Ram Promaster City. This is a 2018 converted by Vanaconda Customs here in beautiful Anaconda, Montana. As you can see, this is a rather spacious micro camper, although it is still considered a micro camper. The bench seat that you see in front of you actually converts into a twin XL size bed. You simply extend the slide outs and then pull the upper cushions down to here to make your twin XL bed. These slides do lock into place so they don't come out while you're driving. They're built on 500-pound commercial heavy-duty drawer slides, so you don't have to worry about any weight issues. We have a deep bar sink that is fed from the Dometic faucet and pump all in one. Ample storage above the countertop, as well as on the wall racks, as well as some additional storage above the door. Here at the end, you'll see that we have a countertop extension here that slides out and also offers some storage underneath. We also have the Modywell dry flush toilet and your 5 gallons of fresh water, 5 gallons of gray water underneath. We have a fold-up table here. As well as another countertop extension here. And any of those can be used both when the bed is set up or when you're in bench mode. Lots of storage. Have a stone drying rack for dishes. That drawer also houses the induction cooktop. Extra deep storage here for all of your cookware. And then we have a dedicated drawer here for your refuse bin. Lots of storage hooks and outlets for charging throughout the van. At the back here, we have the Bouge RV refrigerator. That's a 12-volt compressor refrigerator. That little door there is just to protect those buttons from being pressed when you're sitting on the cushion. We also have ample storage drawers underneath the bed. And those front drawers are extra deep, just to give you even more storage. We have warm lighting throughout the van, both with rechargeable as well as fixed lighting. The ceiling lights are dimmable and controlled here on the switch on the wall. And then we have nook lighting under each of the lighted nooks here. And those are just push button controlled. We have blackout curtains at the rear doors as well as the sliding side door. The side door does have an operable window, which is great for increased airflow. As well as I mentioned, the blackout curtain there. And then we do have a bi-directional rooftop fan and vent that does have a remote control, as well as controls on the unit for that. I'll go ahead and run around to the back to show you a few things there. So here we are at the rear of the van. We have a couple of storage cubbies here. These are stools for the slide-out table right here, which you can also use for outdoor cooking. We have the remote control for the rooftop fan, as well as the accent lighting. Paper towel holder. This is the projector for watching movies on the projector screen. And that is the remote for the projector there. You can see the refrigerator stays well ventilated, being open to the back. And then you'll also see here that we have the Bluetti Elite 300 that offers about 3,014 watt hours of power. Currently it is charging via the rooftop solar, but it is also set up so you can charge via the vehicle while you're driving. Little view of those blackout curtains that I mentioned before. The front of the cab does also have insulated blackout shades for the side windows as well as the windshield. This van does come fully equipped with everything you see in the video, so you're basically ready to go camping the day you pick it up. And I'll go ahead and show you real quick up on the roof. We do have the traction boards as well as 200 watts of Renogy Shadowflux solar panels. Those are really great because they do work well even if partially shaded, which is somewhat unusual in the solar world. The Bluetti power station can be charged without being removed by simply plugging into shore power via the Noco shore power plug. And this is overall just a really great little van. Again, this is a 2018 Ram Promaster City. I believe it's sitting at right around 73,000 miles. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon.